diving alarm is one we use when we dive the boat, or we're going to do it in emergency services. And when you emergency surface, you do 3. So that if you ever hear 3 blasts of the diving alarm, that's your key to, yeah, I think I should get out of the wreck and go see what's going on. Next one's our general alarm. You use a general alarm anytime it's not a fire, a flooding, or a collision. You use a general alarm. Here's our collision alarm. Anytime you hear that, you know you've probably got a chance of water coming into the boat.
I might see if I got it.
Right, here's the diving alarm.